Dear students, let us continue our discussion on S matrix. In Schrodinger equation is this, and solution of this Schrodinger equation at t can be connected to Schrodinger solution of Schrodinger equation at t0 by this relation. Now here on left hand side we will multiply by this factor, and which is equal to 1. Now from here this part will be equal to psi t for interaction picture by this relation. This is the relationship between wave function at t in interaction picture and wave function in Schrodinger picture at t. Here e raised to iota h0 t. So we have used it. Now we will use relation between wave function at t and wave function at t0 in interaction picture, and this relation is this. Now we will use it here, and we will have wave function in interaction picture at t0. Now we can again shift to wave function at t0 in Schrodinger picture by using again this relation, but at t equal to t0. So we will get this. Now here by multiplying e raised to iota h0 t and here multiplying by e raised to minus iota h0 t, we will get this operator. Operator u at t comma t0 will be equal to e raised to iota h0 t, e raised to minus iota h t minus t0, e raised to minus iota h0 t0. This is equation number 2. Now assume that initial temperature is initial time is minus infinity. So minus infinity, we will introduce limit t0 approach to minus infinity. Now this limit can be written in integral form like this. Here we have introduced epsilon, this epsilon approach to 0, this epsilon approach to 0, e raised to epsilon t dash e raised to iota h0 t, e raised to minus I h t minus t dash e raised to minus iota h0 t dash dt dash. Now similarly when initial time is t0 and final time is infinity, so we will have this. Now suppose here t is 0, substituting t equal to 0, we will get this, and operating on a state we will get this. After taking integration we will have this equation number 6. Now this operation of u on a state when u is from minus infinity to 0 is called a plus state. A plus state is equal to this, and which according to this relation will be this. Here we have used Ea minus h. Here we have used Ea minus h and subtraction also E minus Ea plus h. So Ea minus h plus iota epsilon will give 1. So here we have 1 and rest is v. H minus Ea is equal to v, so we get this relation. So we get equation number 7. So this A plus state is called incoming state, or so similarly we can define outgoing state, so, or out state. Out state is represented by A minus. In cat form it will be from 0 to infinity A will equal to this, and after solving it we get this. Similarly we will solve it and we will get this. Now we know from S matrix SBA is equal to B U minus infinity to infinity A. This is initial state, this is final state, this is an operator. So with this operator we can divide it into two parts. First one is minus infinity to 0, second is 0 to infinity. But we know U from 0 to infinity, B is equal to B minus, from 0 to minus infinity, so minus infinity to 0 at A give A plus. So we have S matrix BA, SBA is equal to B minus and A plus. Now we will substitute value of B minus and A plus here. So we know A minus is this, U from 0 to infinity A, and it is equal to A plus 1 upon EA minus H minus iota epsilon VA state. Now we want to, this is ket form, we want to shift it into bra form. So we know bra and ket notation are Hermitian conjugate of each other. So we will find out A minus bra form. In this it is equal to A plus this factor with iota replaced by minus iota. So it will be equal to EA minus H plus iota epsilon VB in bra form. Okay, if we have so A, now replace A by B, we will get this here, positive sign, because this is in bra form. Now substitute the value of BA in equation number 9, we will get this. Now we will solve it separately. So B or A plus will go to B. We have divided and multiplied by this factor. This is one factor. Substitute here, H is equal to EB plus V. So we get this. After simplifying, we get this. From first we will when we solve it with A plus, we will get this. I have not solved it here, but you can solve it, you will get this. Okay, I am writing it directly, and from second part we will have this factor. Okay, so from equation number 10 and 11 we have this. We simplify it, we will get this. This product of these two states, I have written it delta BA minus 2 pi iota delta function of EA minus EB BVA plus state. So we have used this relation here. Here this relation, in this equation we will get this. Now we define an operator T, and which is equal to this with minus sign. So TBA, T is a operator whose matrix element are TBA equal to minus BVA plus with minus sign. So from using this and equation of 14 and equation number 12, we will get this. If we know I is initial state, F is final state. If initial state is represented by I, final state is represented by F, and we know in relativistic theory, energy and momentum and energy are taken in equal footing. They are taken on equal footing. So we can replace this E by 4 vector P. When we replace E by 4 vector, so we use 4. This is 4 dimensions. So this represent 4 dimension here. This represents 4 dimension of delta function. So we get these equations. Now we want to find out transition probability for large t from initial state I to final state. So transition probability is equal to square of the transition amplitude. Transition amplitude is Ct is equal to this square of the S matrix. So we will get this, and we will solve it by using delta t is equal to delta t and delta 0. So we get this equation. We know delta 4p is equal to this, delta 40 is equal to, so 40 will be equal to this. Now substituting it here, we will get this. So transition rate will be equal to transition probability divided by volume and time. So this transition rate per unit volume will be equal to this. So we have find here transition probability from initial state to final states. So which is equal to 2 pi 4 summation delta 4 p delta function pf minus pi and square of this transition matrix. Thank you.